Hope you're having an amazing day. In this video, I will be showing how to install Legacy LUANCHER. So let's get straight into it. First, go to the link in the description and click Download for Windows. After download, click on it. Select the language and click on OK. Next again. Next. Next, click Yes. Tick Create a desktop shortcut and click on Next Install. After install, tick Launch Legacy LUANCHER and finish. Click OK. Wait for download. Select language. And all right, I got it. Click on Create Account and Manage Accounts. Click on plus icon and select the last option. Now select a name and click on ADD account. And click on Home icon. Select the version you desire. And click on Install and Play. And that is it. And guys, if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and peace out.